Container house has become more and more common in our life, but however, there are still a lot of people who never know that. Yesterday, one of my best friends, Lisa, had a call with me. She wants to get a house in the countryside by a cheap price and have a good experience. So of course, I will recommend our shipping container. Okay, she's already here. Come on. Hi, Lisa. Long time no see.
Hi, yeah, you look great.
This is our cameraman, Chelsea.
Nice to meet you.
Today we will make a video on YouTube. Do you mind?
Never mind, but make me good, okay?
Okay. This is the steel structure work shape. And this is the product of our container house. And this is our office building.
Oh, it looks great.
Yeah. This is my first year in the factory, but the factory has been operated for nearly 20 years. The production equipment and the advanced production technology to make sure the product good quantity.
Yeah, I believe that. So where is the example room? Can I have a seat?
Of course, that's why I call you here. I think this one you will be love it. Come on.
Okay.
Now we see what's made of shipping container, and it has a painting on it, and it's made of insulated of solve the cold and heat insulation.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Let's get in and have a look.
Okay. Whoa, it's very different from outside.
Yes, this shipping container has a biggest advantage that we can make custom service whatever you want. This one is made by two standard containers, and it has 40 square meters. And this is wood floor. It's very strong and durable. Here is a living room. You can get a sofa, chairs and tables, TV and fridge and whatever you want.
Yeah, you give me some time for imagine.
Okay, let's show you the others. Lisa, look up.
Whoa, is that the air conditioner?
Yeah, the central air condition is made up in the whole room, so you don't worry about the temperature problem.
I damn love it. You know that I'm very scared of cold.
Yes, obviously. And this, you can have a magic function for light transmission and privacy. The glass is called electricity controlled glass. If you want the sunlight come in, press. If you want sleep, press.
Whoa, let me try.
Okay, let's go. Here is a simple kitchen, and you can see this is a special sink. The tank is retractable. And this is a dishwashing machine. And we also have an electric stove. You can make a meal by yourself. Here is the bathroom and the toilet, and you can see we all use the touch skin buttons. Is that amazing?
I couldn't like it better. Ruby, I'm pretty sure I want a container house like this. Give me a code as soon as possible.